Hi guys, welcome to Memo's Tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at the specialized cells, which is the first topic under the biology section of combined science. Okay, so we have got two animal specialized cells and two plant specialized cells that we are going to look at today. So the first animal specialized cell that we're going to look at today is the red blood cells. So we should be able to identify the red blood cells under the microscope. So they look something close to this. If you know coffee drops, they look the same as the red blood cells. Okay, so the function of the red blood cells is to transport oxygen to all parts of the body. Okay, and then now the structure of the red blood cells is their structure. They are flat disc, they are round, and they look like flat disc. Okay, the other thing, the red blood cells, they are thicker on their edges. Okay, they are thicker on their edges and thinner in the middle there. This enables them to squeeze through tiny blood vessels, okay, without breaking. Okay, and then the other thing, the red blood cells, they've got a red pigment called hemoglobin, which is the one that actually binds with oxygen. Okay, enabling them to transport oxygen to all parts of the body where it is required. Okay, that's for the red blood cells. The next one now is the muscle cells. So the function of the muscle cells is to bring about movement. How do they bring about movement? Muscles, they pull a bone. They pull a bone to bring about movement. I just zoomed that in so that you can see the muscles clearer. So they look like that, and muscles have long fibers that are held together in bundles. Okay, the fibers are very long and are held together in bundles. Okay, so as muscles bring about movement, they work in sets in the sense that when the other one contract, the other set relaxes. Okay, thereby bringing about movement. That's the two animal specialized cells that we are required to know. So the second part, now we are moving on to the plant specialized cells. The first one is the Parasite cells. So you need to know how to draw the Parasite cells and also be able to identify them under the microscope. Okay, so our Parasite cells looks like that. We have got a cell wall, the cell membrane, the cytoplasm, the chloroplast, and we have a lot of chloroplasts. As you can see, we have a lot of chloroplasts all around there, and the bigger one, of course, is the nucleus, and the space in here is the vacuole. Okay, so what's the function of the Parasite cells? Their main function is for photosynthesis. Okay, and their structural adaptations is that they are cylindrical in shape, which means they can be packed closely together. They are easily packed together. It's very easy to pack them close together, thereby increasing the surface area for photosynthesis to take place. Another thing, they've got numerous chloroplasts, as you can see, of which the chloroplasts, they contain chlorophyll, which is the pigment the green pigment that traps the sun's radiant energy that is needed for photosynthesis to take place. Okay, and then now we are moving on to the root hair cells. Let me do that so that you can see the whole diagram nicely. So the root hair cells, they are not complicated, they don't have much, but they are very, very important. Okay, they are very, very important for plants to get their water. So the root hair cells, when you look at a root, these hairs are the ones that we are talking about. Okay, they are the ones that absorb water and mineral salts from the what? From the soil. Okay, how do they do that? They are so thin. They are so thin and long. So it's long and thin parts, they reach outwards into the soil. Okay, they reach outward into the soil, meaning to say they will absorb as much water as possible. The other thing, they increase the surface area of the root in contact with the soil, meaning to say more water is going to be absorbed from the soil. Okay, so these cells have very thin cell walls to allow water and nutrients to pass from the soil into the root quickly. Okay, hopefully you guys benefited from watching this video. For more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and also to click the notification button. Thank you.